Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way. We have to open the dialer and enter a code which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone and then tap on Model. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.